Okay, looks like I'm black. And yeah, we'll do 4/4s. Ooh, 3/4, interesting. So approaching a 3/4 has higher value than approaching a 3/3. With 3/3, you kind of just avoid it because yeah, he tries to build here, but it's very hard to build with this stone. So I really like this move. Not sure if it's good, but I feel like he's strong in this area. It's a little bit over concentrated. So when I attach here and he connects here, this gets a little bit stronger and I can Tanuki and play something over here. And because he did this one, later I can still cut here and get more territory. So because he didn't connect here, I'm going to play here, trying to reduce it a little bit. So now if he blocks here or he goes really aggressive and attaches, which you don't really want to do because if you attach to a weak stone, you're making it stronger. We're just going to go down, aiming to make a base. We don't really have time to do this one because the follow-up doesn't do too much. So we just need to hurry up and make a base. Even if he does attach here and double Hanes, like he's not really gaining too much. And then, like I said, we can still cut here. Okay, so he does 3/3. This is the wider side. This is just too low. So we're gonna grow this side. And we'll do this one. Okay, so he extends. So, this side's not very valuable because this is low. This cut's big, but it's not big enough. We can extend here, but this should be okay. So the biggest move seems to be this side. So we'll just play here to grow it. Okay, he does Hane. We'll just respond. And then, like I said, even if he double Hanes, we just extend. He has some cutting points he has to worry about now. And our group should be alive. Like, we shouldn't have to worry about this. So it's a bit confusing that he did this now, because he should do it first when we still have some weaknesses here we have to worry about. But instead, he helped make us stronger, and then is playing this move. I could play a move here still, because it's still trying to grow this area. But playing here is solid territory in the corner. He plays here. I don't want to play here and force him to respond. So I think I'm just going to take a solid corner. And now he has to find a way to live here, which of course is going to help make this into solid points. And yeah, we'll just connect. Now move around here does start to look a little bit bigger. I think we're just gonna Hane here. If he cuts, if we have a stone here, we just jump, and this is not alive yet. And cutting this off feels like he can't really do anything with it. So we'll just connect our stones and keep them connected. This is not Sente, I don't think. If he goes here, we go here. I guess the best he could do would be here. I go here, here. Then he could throw in and cut it off. Maybe. But we can play this in Sente, I think. Because, yeah, the corner is needs to live still. And this is not alive yet, so I think we're going to push and protect our weakest group. And, yeah, just surround it like this. So now he has to try and figure out a way to live, which is going to make our outside a lot stronger. And again, I'm not going to try too hard to kill, because the main goal here is just let him live as small as possible, and then we can play a move over here and then continue growing. But he played this one, so we're going to peep a little bit more at his shape, because he's has a lot of weaknesses here. And he'll live very small. So we can't really kill this, because he can go here, and if we go here, he gets out. We don't want to let him get out, so we're just going to play here, making our connection very strong. Later we can capture a few stones. So we can attack this, or we can play here and grow the top side. And this feels more solid, so we'll go ahead and do this. And I can play this later, or maybe I should play it now. I'll play it now, because he definitely has some cutting points. And, yeah, I think I'll just Kasumi, stopping him from connecting under. this move is bad because he could push through and cut, and there were some weaknesses here. But now when I connect here, it kind of helps fix all these weaknesses. So yeah, he cut too late. Don't play this, just cut directly and there's more Aji. We're gonna extend here to get rid of the Atari. And we're just gonna extend. If we Hane, he can go here. If we Hane back, this is Atari. But now we can play here. And just connect. And this is terrible shape, but because we're so strong here and we're making points when we capture, and this group is still not alive, it should be okay. Even though we are a little bit over-concentrated. This pushes a little bit too much. It has no effect on my group, so we're going to go ahead and try to make this stronger while putting pressure on this group. And once we get them really close to connecting, that's when we're going to try making a splitting attack. Okay, so we're just going to extend, play nice and solid. Okay, so we can cut through here. And I think we're going to do that. If we go here, he connects, we turn. He still can't really connect, but we have a weak group here. I think both work. I'm not sure which is more proper, though, because if we go here, we cut these off, we get a lot of points. We're probably just ahead. But he does get to make a Panuki here. This is no longer weak, but we're not weak anywhere, and he's not really making any points. But I'm pretty sure both work. Yeah, I think we'll just take points. And if he doesn't defend over here, we can still play a splitting move. Okay, he captures, so we extend. He's not really making any points here. We don't have any weak groups for him to attack. And even though this is stronger, we can still push through and cut these off. And he still has some Aji over here he has to worry about. And this cut here. Okay, so he's going to try and do something here. This feels like better shape because we're stopping him from getting out. Yeah, I think we just connect here. So even if he runs out, if we're connected, he's just giving us points. Okay, just stay connected. He goes here, but this is making him a few points, but it's not really big enough. I think I'll Hane here once, because he's probably going to respond. And now we can cut here, making more points and fixing some of the Aji over here. There, we'll just extend. And we're fine here, so I think we're going to try and split here to reduce some of the points he can make here. And also is cutting off these. And we can extend here. And we just got to make sure we stay connected. Yeah, I think he got himself into trouble again. He can cut here, but we just go here. And I think when we connect, we're connected everywhere. And these are dead. And I don't think he can cut these off. Okay. So if he connects here, we just connect here. And there's nothing there. Okay, so he's trying something, but we just captured this stone and not much he can really do after that. Just stay connected. He doesn't have two eyes, so we don't have to respond to this one. So I think we're just going to come and play some big in-game now. It's pretty much over. Okay, and he does resign. So yeah, that was a very interesting game. He didn't really defend, and he just kept attacking. But yeah, I'd like to thank all my patrons. I got a few new ones. And I'll see you all next time.